अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। ऐ मेरे रब मुझे इल्म ज़्यादा दे। आमीन।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now this is your MFU book, More for Us, page number 61. Write HW here, date here and day here. Activity vegetables. Draw and write 5 lines about your favorite fruit. So it's instead of fruit, you just cut it and write vegetable with me. You have to write about your favorite vegetables, fruit you have done in your previous page. Vegetable. Okay. What you have to do inside this box, you can draw your favorite vegetable, whatever vegetable you like, either potato, carrot, cucumber, your favorite vegetables you have to draw here, and you have to write 5 lines about your favorite vegetable. I will just give you keywords that will help you to write 5 lines easily. Now as you know that first if you are writing about I hope every child like potato, you can make a picture of potato here and you can write lines here like I will give you some example. It is a potato, it is brown in color, I like to eat potato chips. Okay, and in this way you can make more sentences also. It gives potato gives us energy. And if you are writing about carrot, you can make a picture of carrot here and you can write it is a carrot, it is red in color, it is very good for our eyes. You know, when you eat carrot, it will improve your vision. Okay, try to eat carrots as much as you can during winter season as well. You can have it now also. So it is very good. It is a good source of vitamin A also, and it makes your skin very beautiful. Okay, now if you are writing about tomatoes, tomatoes are very good. It is you can make a picture of tomato here. It is a tomato, it is red in color, it is a good source of vitamin C. We use tomatoes to make ketchup. You can make 5 sentences with the help of keywords. We will provide you keywords also. I hope everyone has understood how to write 5 lines about your favorite vegetables. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now let's revise shapes today. This is your math notebook. Write date, HW here and day here. Okay, and let's write the caption with me. Are you all holding the pencil? Come on, I hope everyone is holding, and write the caption with me. SHAPES. Shapes. Now here, after writing this caption, leave one line and leave one square from here and start tracing your pencil till here. Okay, after tracing the pencil and drawing, then you can use any bottle cap at your home and just keep your pencil and trace the circle. And I'll show you. I just put a bottle cap here, and with the help of pencil you can draw a circle by yourself like this. Okay, and then write the spelling circle, CIR, sir. Revise it also and learn it. CIR, sir. CLE, circle. We need one more line. Okay, in the same way we will revise Here I have put 4 dots. Okay, you can also after 1, 2, 3, after leaving 3 square, put just hold your pencil here and start tracing the black line till here. And then in front of this you can put 4 dots like this, and then start tracing. Trace it from here, then trace the black line here, and trace the black line down, down, down. Okay, trace it like this, and then trace it from here. This is your square. It should be very straight. If you keep your notebook like this and trace it like this, it will be a straight line like this. Okay, so this you can make a square like this, and then start revising the spelling with me. SQU, SQU. Are you all revising the spelling with me? I hope everyone is revising. That's good. SQUARE, square. Trace this square also. Okay, and then again leave 1, 2 square here, 3 square here, then put your pencil after leaving 1 square here and trace this line like this. Okay, now for cone, just put 2 dots side by side and then start drawing like this, like a V. Okay, and then go up like this. Now which shape is this? It is a cone. Now let's revise the spelling of cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, and then again leave 1, 2, 3 square, and then start from here leaving 1 square and trace this line. Okay, and then put 4 square like this and then trace it like this. Trace the first line, then second line. In this way you can draw the shapes by yourself. Just put your notebook like this so you can have a straight line. You can use a scale also or your hand also, both the things you can. Which shape is this? It's a rectangle. Now come on, let's revise the spelling of rectangle. R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay, and then again leave 1, 2 square and put your pencil here and start tracing. And here I have put 3 dots like this. When you join these dots like an A, you will have the shape triangle. Trace this line. Now let's revise the spelling of triangle. T-R-I, try, A-N-G-L-E, triangle. I hope everyone has understood this work. Okay, after drawing the shape just like me, you can use different colors for circle, square, cone, rectangle and triangle. Color these shapes. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now this is your general knowledge notebook, and today we are going to revise common flowers. Are you ready? Come on. Let's write date, HW and day here, and write the caption common flowers, COMMON, common, leave finger space, FLOWERS, common flowers. Now come on, hold your pencil and start writing and revising this common flowers with me. ROSE, rose. Come on, revise it again. ROSE, rose. Then sunflower, SUN, sun, FLOW. Are you all writing with me? I hope everyone is writing and revising this spelling with me. It's very good. Now read again. SUN, sun, FLOWER, sunflower. Then jasmine, JAS, jas, MINE, jasmine. Now read again. JAS, jas, MINE, jasmine. Lily. Hold your pencil. Come on, start revising. LILY, lily. Again, LILY, lily. Marigold, MARI, Mary, GOLD, marigold. Again revise it. MARI, Mary, GOLD, gold, marigold. I hope everyone has done this work and revised this spellings with me. Thank you. Here is another rhyme, and on page number 83, this is your EL book, and come on, start reciting this rhyme with me. The title of the rhyme is 5 Little Bees. Okay, are you ready? Come on, start reciting the poem with me. One little bee blew and flew, he met a friend and that made two. Two little bee, busy as could be, along came another and that made three. Three little bees wanted one more, found one soon and that made four. Four little bees going to the hive, spied their little brother and that made five. Five little bees working every hour, buzz away bees and find another flower, and find another flower, and find another flower. In this way you will recite this poem at least 5 times. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी उर्दू की नोटबुक है और जहां हमने लास्ट वर्कशीट की थी उसके आगे हम काम करेंगे आज, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, तारीख लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, और फिर यहाँ क्या लिखते हैं, दिन, और यहाँ आप लिखेंगे, यहाँ हम लिखेंगे अपना उन्वान, ठीक है। तो मैं आज आपको करवाऊँगी हफ्ते के दिनों के नाम, ठीक है, जो कि हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं। हे फे हफ्ते बड़िए ते, हफ्ते काफ बड़िए के, दाल नून वाओ नून गुन्ना, दिनों के नाम। मैंने यहाँ लिखा कैप्शन। अब मैं यहाँ एक लाइन लीव करके एक लाइन छोड़ के यहाँ लिखूँगी एक, ठीक है। और सबसे पहला दिन में क्या लिखूँगी, पीर, ठीक है। पे ये रे पीर। नंबर 2 पे मैं लिखूँगी, पीर के बाद क्या आता है, मंगल, मीम नून मंग गाफ लाम गल, मंगल। थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया है, हम इसे मिटा के ठीक कर लेते हैं। फिर नंबर 3 पे लिखूंगी बुध, पे दाल 2 चश्मी है, बुध। नंबर 4 पे क्या आता है? बुध के बाद क्या आता है? पी मंगल बुध जुमेरात। जुमेरात देखिए कैसे लिखेंगे, जीम मीम आइन रे अलिफ ते, जुमेरात। नंबर 5 पे जुमेरात के बाद जुम्मा, जीम मीम आइन हे, जुम्मा। फिर नंबर 6 पे क्या लिखूंगी? जुम्मा के बाद हफ्ता, हे फे हफ ते हेता, हफ्ता। और नंबर 7 पे सबसे आखिरी दिन इतवार। ये तो सब बच्चों को आता है क्योंकि इस दिन आप लोगों की छुट्टी जो होती है, इतवार। तो इसी तरह से आपने इस काम को मुकम्मल करना है। पीर, मंगल, बुध, जुमेरात, जुम्मा, हफ्ता, इतवार। सफाई के साथ मुकम्मल करना है। शुक्रिया।